So Harleys and guns, eh? Harleys and guns. Does it get much better than that? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going out the gun range today. So it's a decent ride out here because it's out at Woodstock. So and I live at the other side of town, so it's probably about 100 k's each way. So good excuse to take the old diner for a spin. So yeah, living in Queensland, beautiful Australia, our gun laws suck ass. So in order to keep a category H, which is your concealable firearms license, you need to do X amount of shoots a year depending on what calibers you have. So I have 2 classes of handguns, so I have to do 8 shoots a year just to keep my pistol license, which sucks ass, but it's a good incentive to keep on practicing and training, you know. So anyway, long story short, that's where I'm headed. This is a really bumpy, shitty road. Hopefully this Hero 7 super stabilization is making it smoother for you guys than it is for me. But anyway, I know I've already done a guns video. If you missed that, I'll put the link thing up here so you can have a look. But I do love my guns. I do love them a lot. Handguns are especially good fun. It's just a real mission to get your license over here. But all you dudes in the States, you don't know how lucky you are, man. That's it. So a good change of scenery anyway, guys, apart from the roadworks side of things. But nice mountains. The range actually backs onto one of these mountains, so no stray bullets can do any damage. Just going to hit a big pile of dirt. But anyone else shooting today, leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you shoot, what your favorite caliber is, if you're a rifle or a pistol man. Or I might put one of those little card things up here, the pole, so you can, holy shit, big potholes, so you can vote yes or no, or all that sort of cool stuff. Yeah, just because you're a truck, mate, doesn't mean you can just park in the middle of the road. So while we're riding along looking at big water pipes, anyone notice I've got a higher windscreen on the fairing now? This is an 18-inch shield. I had a 15-inch on before. So I'll get waved through, you beauty. Yeah, so did anyone notice that? Probably not, because it's only that much difference, but I'm going to do a comparison video later on, not now. I just want to put a few, you know, a fair few Ks on this bad boy to see how I like it with wind buffering and all that sort of stuff. So I've got the 15 at home as well, so I'll swap them out and see where the wind's going and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, just in case you're looking into a fairing, that video might come in handy once I actually make it. So don't get excited because I haven't done it yet. While we're on the topic of videos and new videos, is there any videos that you guys want me to do? Any test rides you want to see? Any of that sort of stuff? I'm happy to take suggestions, and I'm always looking for video ideas. So if you got any, put them in the comments below, or hit me up on Instagram. If you haven't already, you should. This is the thingy. So give me a follow on there, and yeah, shoot me a DM or send me an email or whatever, and I will endeavor to make that video for you if humanly possible. Probably should have got fuel before I came all the way out here. Uh-oh. Bit of off-roading on the diner. Oh, slippery. Alright guys, I'm going to duck into the range and get my chute on, and I'll catch up with you soon. See ya. And I'm back in the mud. quite slippery. Alrighty, welcome back again. Look at that, my phone charger is unplugged. You beauty. Well, it was not the smartest idea I've ever had bringing the Harley out here. I did not know they were doing all this construction and roadworks. There's actually a couple of water crossings, so I'll give you a look. Look at that beauty and that beauty. Alrighty, water crossing number 1. Don't know if there's any deep holes or not. I didn't find one on the way in, but yeah, not real good riding road, this one. Lucky I did not go in the middle of that one. Holy moly. Yep, I would have come off probably. There we go, we're off. Alright guys, don't forget to comment down below what your favourite calibre is. Do you guys carry every day? Are you allowed to where you live? What's your favourite calibre? Is it just for personal defence, or, you know, blah blah blah. Even the guys who have YouTube channels, make a video about it and let me know when you upload it. I'd love to see what you guys, you know, how you guys live in different places of the world, because here in Queensland in Australia the gun laws are pretty strict on that. We cannot open carry or conceal carry at all. We can only use our handguns at a range for range shooting only, not even allowed to hunt with them. So yeah, our rules are pretty shit, but oh well. So let me know what you got, guys. I'm really keen to see, and I will catch you later. Don't forget, wherever you are in the world, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink a cold beer, make sure it's cold, and I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.